In this video, we'll show you what to do if the YouTube app is not working on your Android or Samsung phone. So first of all, if you are using any VPN connection, make sure to disconnect from the VPN connection and then try reloading YouTube again. If that doesn't work, long press on the YouTube icon and then tap this info icon that appears. Now here you will need to tap this force stop option and then tap on OK. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option, tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Once you have done this, try opening YouTube again and see if it works. If nothing else works, come back to the YouTube app info page, tap this 3 dot icon and then select uninstall updates. Now select OK to confirm. Once you have done this, you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone and then search for the YouTube app. Once you have done this, you should see an update for the YouTube app. Simply tap on it and the app will be updated. After that, it should work as expected on your Android phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.